This project has been under construction since before 28th came. I want to show you guys what we've been working on. Come with me inside. It's Wednesday morning, beautiful summer morning, and I'm visiting my client's house. They just finished painting the outside, and it's so crazy because it looks like a totally different house. I'm on my way to meet with a contractor to go over electrical planning. While not the most exciting, it's just what I gotta do. I'm in the hills in the middle of nowhere, but the house is gorgeous, and I'm just super excited to see the project come together. I can't wait to show you all the progress that's gone on. People just are never on time. It's the nature of the game. Hello? Hey. Leaving a note for the contractor. I won't be here. I brought some material for the bathroom. I'm gonna do silver tile. Entertaining myself. We are standing outside my client's house. It is what I've named Project Sierra Pelona. Today is install day. I'm so excited. This project has been under construction since before 28th came. Now we are moving on into the inside of the home, and I really can't wait for you guys to see what we've been working on. Come with me inside. Alright, you guys, so we have the accessories kind of laid out, pulled some gorgeous pieces to bring some personality to the space. So right now all I'm doing is unwrapping the accessories, putting them on display so that when my guys get here, they will just place the furniture and it'll be so easy to place all the accessories. Really styling the space, which is, honestly, it's like one of my favorite things to do is to style, just because, I mean, it's the last step, but the accessories are just gonna bring it up to that next level, so you'll see. So as you can see, we had a lot of work to do, which is why I made a part 2. So make sure to subscribe so you can get alerted when I post the next video. Thank you for watching. See you later.